Alright, in this video we're going to be going over how to assemble the FTEC1 SCAR Barrel. You're going to need scissors, tweezers, Phillips head screwdriver, and Allen key, which comes with the kit. Alright, step 1, we're going to get the 10mm screw, and we're going to screw that into the forward hole on this outcropping on the SCAR barrel here. Going to screw that guy in, but not all the way. You want to leave 1 or 2mm gap between the head and the little outcropping there. We're going to tie a string around there, so leave it up like that. Alright, next we're going to get the string clamp, and we're also going to screw that onto the SCAR barrel using another 10mm screw. That screws into the hole above the last one we just did. Alright, you don't want to screw this one down all the way yet either. Leave a gap in between like this. Next we're going to put the M3 nylon lock nut into the hole right there. Fits right in. And put the O-ring around the muzzle lug. And that is the first step done. Alright, so now we are going to string the SCAR barrel. We're going to start by tying a knot around the first screw, the screw without the string clamp on it. I'm just using a square knot here. Takes me a bit to tie it. Alright, there we go. That's on. Around the first screw right there. I'm going to cut off the excess string here, just make it easier. Okay, now we're going to thread the end of the fishing line through the first hole. The first hole is the hole on the right. If you're looking at the top of the SCAR barrel, you'll see two holes. There's a left and a right one. We're going to put it through the right hole. Stick that through and pull the other end out with the tweezers. So again, if you're looking at the SCAR barrel straight ahead like this, you're going to see two holes. It's the right hole that you start off in. And we're going to put it through the notch on the left of the one that's centered. So if you look at it from the top here, there's a notch that's perfectly in line in the center. We're going to put it through the notch on the left of that one. And now we put it through the hole to the left of the last one we started in, if that makes sense. So grab the end, put it through the next hole, pull it out of the barrel. And make sure you pull the thread around the notch to the left. Now we're going to repeat this whole process until we make our lap around the entire barrel. Alright, that was the final string. Okay, now we're gonna tighten the end of the string. So I'm gonna move the string to the left of the starting screw, and then around to the right of the screw with the string clamp, and we're gonna wrap around that like 4 or 5 times. And then pull the string forward towards the muzzle end of the SCAR barrel and slowly tighten down the string clamp. This will prevent the string from unraveling around it, and it'll tension the line. There, it's all stringed up. Now we're going to cut off the excess string. And that is the SCAR barrel strung. Now we're going to install it into the shroud there and put the M3x18 machine screw through. So this will hold the barrel to the shroud. And that is done. When you look down the SCAR barrel, you should see the strings making a little hexagon shape. That's how you know you strung it right. If you're not seeing a hexagon, if it's looking more like a star, then you got too much twist on there. You gotta move the notches over one, and if you're not seeing any sort of, geometric shape there, then you strung it with not enough twist.